Assalamualaikum, my name is Noida Syara binti Zakaria, my mantic number DE190020. My group assignment for the title A Proposal on Healthcare Service Start-out Grant Technology for Elderly. We are from group number 2. For my lecturer, Dr. Ida Laila binti Ahmad. For my group member, Nur Afina Zulaika binti Zamli, Muhammad Syafiq bin Muhammad Zainudi, Muhammad Izzat Izuhad bin Jumain, Asma Diana binti Saidam. Okay, for the next slide.
Assalamualaikum and hi doctor, my name is Muhammad Izzat bin Jumain. So our company name is Edge Technology Solution. Technology Solution is a leading medical device company that dedicate to enhance the quality of the life for the elderly, develop innovative technologies for seniors and address unique needs and challenges faced by seniors. So our mission is to improve the life of elderly, of course, and then provide the user-friendly medical device and also bridge the gaps between the technologies and the elderly. Okay, so we move on to the vision. So our company vision is to provide innovative and compassionate medical technology solution that empower and enrich the lives of the elderly. Also promote the healthy aging and enhance their overall well-being. So what our core value is composition, innovation, quality, and integrity. Okay, first, compassion. So compassion, we deeply care for well-being and dignity of every elderly individual. Then we lead in healthcare innovation, developing innovative medical device that recognize elderly care through innovative idea. Then the quality is we prioritize delivering high quality products and service. Lastly, our integrity in for the company is we uphold the highest ethical standard in all aspects of our business. So the industry overview right now, the medical technology industry for the elderly is a rapidly growing sector that focuses on developing innovative solutions to meet the unique healthcare needs and the aging population. With the world's population getting older and life expectancy increasing, there is a growing demand for medical devices and technologies that enhance the quality of life, promote independence, and also address the specific challenge faced by seniors. Global population is also experienced a significant demographic shift with more people aged 65 and above. Also, this demographic trend creates a substantial market for medical technologies companies to develop products and services that cater the specific healthcare and wellness needs by elderly. So, what we can conclude for this industry overview, the medical technology industry for the elderly holds immense potential for innovative and positive impact. By focusing on the unique healthcare requirement of the aging population, companies in sector can contribute to healthcare more independent and fulfilling their life for senior. I will pass to my friend to continue this presentation.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. So my name is Asma Dena. I will continue this presentation with company description with team management. Alright, so H-Tech Solution is a well-known telehealth company that dedicated in revolutionizing the delivery of healthcare. Alright, so we implement modern technologies to connect patients and their caregivers. So basically, we have 5 roles in management team, which is the first one is the founder, or also known as Chief Executive Officer, CEO, which is Muhammad Izzat. Okay, so Izzat is an inspirational leader with excellent record of success in this telehealth industry. So he has enormous knowledge of the healthcare profession, and he is very driven to use technology to improve the patient care as he worked in it for a decade. Okay, so Izzat will provide leadership, company corporate operations, and also to develop company innovation. So the next one is Muhammad Shafiq, which is our chief operating officer, COO, which is he has 7 years of operations management experience. So he is very responsible to ensuring that the daily operations run well. He will optimizing the workflow and increasing operational efficiency. So the next one is Nur Afrina Zulaika, which is the Chief Financial Officer, CFO. She basically has 12 years experience in economic management and planning experience. So she will assuring the organizational financial stability and expansion. She will oversee the financial planning and budgeting and also for the forecasting. And she will dealing with the investors and making strategic financial decisions. So the next one is Chief Marketing Officer, CMO, which is Asmadena, myself. Alright, so I have over 8 years in developing marketing strategies and managing marketing campaign and also conducting promotional activities. So I will particularly important in managing and overseeing all the marketing activities around the company. And the last one is our Chief Technology Officer, CTO, Aida Shahira. So she has over 6 years of experience in designing innovative healthcare solutions. So she manages the technology staff, which is responsible for the technical strategy, infrastructure management, and also product development. She is indispensable to the company technological advancements and consistent in customer service.
Hello, everyone. My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Wazinuddin. I will continue on my part is 1.5 expertise and capabilities. So the first expertise and capabilities is remote patient monitoring. So HTech company specialize in technologies for remote patient monitoring. It can control from a distance to a distance. So the next one is product user friendly. So our product are more focusing on the user, so that it is more easier to use, especially for an elderly. So the third one is invest on growing technologies. So basically, our company is stay up to date technology and healthcare, so that the innovative technology that can help elderly. So the last part for the expertise and capabilities is quality control. So all the product meets all requirement, certification, and also safety standard and regulatory requirement. So moving on. Moving on goals and objectives. So we are more focusing on enhancing elderly care. So we are committed to enhancing elderly care and improving the overall quality of life for all the adults. So the next one is try to create new technologies. So our company offer innovative technologies specifically tailored to meet the diverse needs of all the adults. So the next one is quality assurance measures. So our standards and protocols to ensure the safety, efficiency, and reliability of their goods. And for the last part is user-centered design. So we are applying human-centered design concept to develop simple, to use accessible and user-friendly technology while we are considering the requirement and limits for all the people.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Aida Shahira binti Zakaria, my metric number DE19020. I want to explain about the collaborative approach. Collaborative learning is very important to the achievement of the company to work together in a group to solve problem, make assignment or learn new concept to develop the company to upgrade a product. Okay, for the concept in the company, collaboration to further improve the technology, create and further strengthen the value and brand of the product create. The development or reminder strategy for the elderly, a crucial issue is how to take into account the opinion of senior citizens, expert and stakeholder group that had senior managed chronic disease. To reach the goal of effective stakeholder collaboration, we also work with our partner, customer, and other interested parties to develop the product. The creation of professional platforms such as the famous video conferencing software of Teams, Zoom, and Google Meet is used in order to provide real-time communication between the involved parties. With this approach, we can give exposure to ideas and share information more widely among our parties. Okay, that's all from me.
Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Novina Zulika binti Zamri. My metric number is CE19203. So, the thing that I want to sharing today is about the success story and the client certification of the HTech Solution Company. So, the HTech Solution Company is started up at 2018 as a startup company. The only issue that we intend to address at that time is to develop development of technology for the elderly. We discovered that there is no advanced product have been developed to address this problem of reminding every user, notable the elderly, to take the medication on time. At that time, we thought that if we got the invest user-friendly technology, specifically for the elderly cohort, they will get the reap of benefit from this device investment. As a result, we began to generate the idea and the solution to the problem, as well as develop a prototype of our first product, which is Medicine Reminder. This Medicine Reminder uses an Arduino to remind us once or twice or 3 times per day to take our medication. This time is selectable using the button. Additionally, it displays date and also time. And to further this technology future, but include the incoming IoT for that help the user get the notification by using email and SMS. So it reminds the patient by monitoring the patient already either it have taking their medicine or not. And then for the client certification, so this new product have gotten a lot of positive feedback from end user and technology aspect. This medicine reminder, which provide a user-friendly interface which they use intensive functionalities, has been chosen be the one of the device reached in the market target level as well as in popularity. Okay, and then as it is also taking a part in the Apple Watch. This kind of recognition has been enabled us to secure the funding from a top-tier company to expand our global marketing.
So for the introduction, these days, the rate of medicine consumption has been highly increased due to the widespreading of various diseases and illnesses around the world. So meanwhile, there are some diseases that are temporary and some of them have a toll on human health for a lifetime. So to maintain a healthy lifestyle, we often find ourselves to be sick, especially for elderly. All right, so in those ages, a visit of a doctor and proper medical prescription consumption become a necessity. So when they are failing to consume the medicine regularly, it will cause a lot of problems. And this smart device will help them and alert the patients to take medicine right on time. So it will help the patients to recover as soon as possible. And it also reduces the burden of allotting healthcare professional in homes and also to monitor elder persons. For the problem statement, due to the rapid increase of elderly population, it is particularly important to design appropriate product for elderly people. So due to a decline in physical and mental function, the elderly is required to take multiple medications. However, they frequently engage in medication non-compliance, which negatively impacts their health. So the most common concern is forgetting to take medication. So in this constantly evolving digital environment, some people find it challenging to master the latest programs, especially for the elderly, but they tend to forget things easily, like taking their medications. So people are required a method to remember to take their medications without having to learn how to utilize sophisticated programs. So taking care of elderly can be physically exhausting, but there are a terrific way to conserve some brain power. Prescriptions can be highly specific for everyone. Therefore, keeping all medications information organized and trackable is very important. So that's all from me.
Moving on 2.3, our ID and advantages. So the first one is user-centric design. So we ensures that they are intuitive, simple to use, and aware of the requirement and needs of the older people. So the second one is purpose goals. So we are promising and provide several benefits that are beneficial to the age population. So the third one is remote patient monitoring. It enables proactive healthcare interventions which help healthcare practitioners to recognize and treat health issues. So the last part is artificial intelligence and machine learning technology. So we are currently improving the accuracy of health monitoring, but also makes it possible to make personalized solutions for care, which results in intervention that are more effective and focused. So the next part is 2.4, detailed specification. So for the first one is smart mobility assistance. So intelligent navigation system with obstacle detection and avoidance capabilities. The second point is built-in seat for resting and comfortable transportation. So the second point is fall detection and emergency response. So we are currently put the advanced fall detection sensor with the real-time monitoring, and also GPS tracking for detecting the user in emergency situations. So moving on to the next part, remote patient monitoring. The point is real-time data transmission to healthcare, provide means for remote monitoring and analysis, alert and notification for abnormal readings, enabling prompt intervention. So the last but not least is battery life and charging. So long-lasting rechargeable battery for extended usage, quick charging capabilities for minimal downtime.
I want to explain about the technical filter. Okay, first, energy consumption and lifetime. Battery power variable and portable technology can be explored increasingly in adult and after a major energy shift. Second, storage capacity. Most electronic pre-bottle or bag have the ability to broadcast real-time patient medication and the data over Bluetooth, current cellular network or general packet radio service. And then video quality. Three category of video quality: acceptable, widespread, good clarity, framing and visible stability, and could be used to evaluate inhaler technique, who and assistive factory. Okay, and then reminder alert function, making it hard and time consuming to integrate data with other technology app. Okay, for the 5 medication add-on data capture and use, medication add-on monitoring system designers should consider clinical and research application. For the 6 technology and assessment criteria, this evaluation criteria also consider other concern with how well technology is accepted or how well it is developed by looking at the most recent studies such as hazard to patient facing or the impact of a large device size on user. And then remote monitoring. Vital sign and health indicator including heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen saturation and activity level will be able to be remotely and in real time monitored by the system. And for the 8 training and help with technical issue, user and medical expert will have access to in-depth interaction and technical support. Okay, for the 9 harmonization with existing health tracking system, utilizing integrated device like blood pressure monitor, glucometer and what scale the patient ensure health can be determined. Okay, for the time infrastructure for scalable cloud. The cloud infrastructure includes the ability, scalability and the density of data. This will enable a smooth expansion as the user based on the service go and new filter and technology are deployed. Okay, thank you. That's all from me.
This project. So this project expected result is to improve medication adherence, enhance safety, and also peace of mind for caregivers. Okay, what it means by improve medication adherence? The medicine reminder device will help ensure that elderly individuals with snail condition take their medication at the prescribed times, reducing the risk of misdose and incorrect administration. Next is the enhanced safety. By providing reminders and alerts, the device will help prevent medication errors and potential health complications due to incorrect or misdoses. Lastly, for the peace of mind for caregivers, this device will alleviate the concerns of caregivers by providing a reliable and efficient solution to monitor and manage the medication schedule for elderly loved ones. Next, this is the cost operation for this project. So we divide it into 7, which is the research development, manufacturing, regulatory compliance, marketing and sales, and customer support, and lastly the operational cost. So it took total for 730,000, where the R&D is 150,000, the manufacturing is 300,000, and then the regulatory compliance is 50,000, marketing and sales took 100,000, customer support took 50,000, and lastly the operational cost will took 80,000.
Few security feature in this project and in this product. The first one is the access control and user authentication, the restriction of secure data, secure communication channel, data protection and disaster recovery, picking out which data protection requirement, training and awareness for worker. For the conclusion, the medication reminder is established. It is device for the elderly to take their medication on time. It is effective regulate when a senior citizen consume their medication. Additionally, it decreases the proportion of patients who neglect or delay medication administration. In this medicine reminder project, it interfaces with Arduino Uno by using the I2C protocol, and then we conclude that we will expand it to include the incoming IoT project, which can email or SMS notification to send for the user to assist the patient. Those keeping underlying the solution can be eliminated entirely by using our product, which is the medicine reminder.